everybody, welcome to another edition of Natural Crafts and Recipes, and today we're going to trick out some tuna. We're going to make tuna tacos, Italian tuna, and Thai lettuce wraps. First we're going to start with those tuna tacos. Super easy. I've laid out all the ingredients, and what we're going to do is we're going to make our own spice blend. So mix these all together in a container, and then for the guacamole, the same thing with a little mini blender. When you have the taco spice mix and the guacamole, you're going to have a little extra left, so you can use them for some other recipes. In a nonstick pan, just add a little bit of olive oil, soften up your onions, just throw in that tuna and 2 tablespoons of that taco spice blend, and then I add a little bit of water just to start it mixing together so it doesn't get a little dried out. Add in your beans and then your yogurt, and if you have lactose intolerance, just try and find a lactose-free yogurt, mix it all up, and then put it on those taco shells. It is absolutely delicious with some dollops of the guacamole. Now for something super fresh, Thai lettuce wraps. Oh, these are so delicious. So here are all your ingredients. What we're going to start off with is we're going to make the dressing first. And I use a container that I can put a lid on and shake up. So add your minced garlic and ginger, and then add to that your sesame oil, and then your fish sauce. Now fish sauce seems a little smelly, but trust me, you need it in this recipe and it tastes delicious. Then add a tablespoon of sugar and the juice of 1 lime, and you're gonna also need a little bit of rice wine vinegar. So grab a tablespoon of that and then just mix everything really well, or as I said, put a lid on it and shake it up. Then add all the other ingredients into a bowl and add your dressing on top and mix everything so that it's completely coated with the dressing. Spoon it out onto your lettuce leaves and just fold them and eat them almost like a taco. Now who doesn't love Italian flavors? Let's mix that with tuna and we can put it on crostinis or on top of pasta. So first off, get your list of ingredients, and if you want to put it on pasta, just grab pasta, or for the crostinis, just grab a baguette. And again, we start with a lightly oiled pan, and make sure you have that pasta water on if you're going to be cooking pasta instead of the crostinis. But add the onions, the garlic, and the hot peppers. If you don't like hot peppers, you can just add regular peppers, but just soften it all up so that the onions are translucent, and then add your pasta to the boiling water so that you're cooking both at the same time. Then add your olives and your pesto, and then make sure you add just a little bit of pasta water, or if you're going to do the crostinis, just add a little bit of water from the tap, and then mix everything together. It is going to blend in really nicely once everything is soft and translucent. And then the next thing you're going to do is add your tuna and make sure you're coating your tuna well with the rest of the mixture so that you have that ready. As soon as your pasta is ready, drain that pasta off and you can add the mixture right to your pasta and just top it with some Parmesan cheese. Now, making a meal like a pasta meal is great, but if you want a little appetizer, the crostinis are great. So you can just put that mixture right on top of toasted baguette bread and enjoy. So don't forget to subscribe because I've got more amazing recipes and natural crafts from things found in nature.